Hi, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Opal and Violet and Mommy Baking Show.
Yeah.
Say, I'm Opal.
I'm Opal.
Say, I'm Violet.
And
I'm Mommy.
Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. And today we're going to be making biscuits. They're quick and easy. So hopefully we can get along for the whole time that we're making biscuits.
I'm just going to read it.
Yeah.
It's with underwear, don't it?
Uh-huh. All right, we need to start with 2 cups of self-rising flour. And I'm not sure if this is actually self-rising flour. So we're going to put some baking powder in it just in case.
Can I do it?
You can do it. And then Violet can do the next one. Good job. Oh, Violet's going to use her spoon to make sure things are going well. All right, Violet, you put in this one?
Yeah.
Very good.
Can I do the other one?
That wasn't quite enough, so I'm going to put in a little extra. I don't know.
Can I put some now?
You already did. Now we need to go get the baking sorry.
Yeah.
The baking powder and the salt to make it into self-rising. So how about we just put a little pinch of salt. Okay, we're just going to do a little dash in. Dash in with the salt. All right, and I'm going to go get the baking powder. We'll be right back. All right, we're not going to measure this either. Oh, Violet. Girlfriend. Okay, let's put some of that flour back in the... Okay, all better. Okay, now I need milk and mayo.
Stop. I'm going to
All right, I've got milk.
Mommy, I don't want that too.
Oh, well, you want to pour the milk in?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we get a cup of milk.
No.
Pour it right in there,
I see
girlfriend.
it.
Be real
And
careful.
Oh, it's heavy.
It's heavy. Oh, good job. Wow, you're a professional. And Violet's going to be our stirrer, it looks like. All right, I'm going to get some mayo. All right.
And can I stir it too?
We got mayo.
Can I stir
We're going to glop it out. Put it in here. Can you hold this for me? That would be helpful. Thank you.
And can I pour it in too?
Once we have enough of it. Hold it so the camera can see it.
Okay. It's at the puppet.
Are you holding it real tight?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think about the smell of it?
I like it.
Give it a good whiff. Smell it up close to your nose. See if you like it. What do you think?
No, that tastes like bad.
All right, let's put it in here.
A weeble.
All right, so we're gonna gloop it in. Oh, I got some on my hand. Awesome.
Okay.
Very cool. All right. I know I got it on my hand.
Oh.
I know. What a bummer, huh?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to put a couple extras in there. Give us a minute. All right. In this house, we like garlic, don't we, girls? So I'm going to teach you something new. Okay? So you measure garlic with your heart, okay? So when Mommy says, how do you measure garlic? You say, with your heart. How do you measure garlic?
Without.
That's right.
Okay. How you middle?
And some cheese. Okay, we don't have a lot of cheese.
Okay.
Oh, yes. We're going to put a little more in there.
Okay.
And then we're going to stir it all up, and we're going to put it in our muffin tins, our mini muffin tins to be exact. And we're going to put it right in the oven.
Okay.
Okay.
And can I
I love your enthusiasm.
No. Mommy, can I?
Yeah, we can take turns, okay?
No. But she can't take turns.
She's just doing that to make you mad.
No, she can't make me mad.
I forgot to show you guys. She's got her... Can I show them? You got an itchy elbow. Can I show them your shirt? Can I see your...
That one's itchy too.
Can I see your shirt? I know you got some eczema, my friend. Okay, it says Mom's Baking Buddy. Yay! Mm-mm. Take one? Say, mm-mm.
It's a little hot.
You want to take one? You're blowing on it. Thanks. You want one, Daddy?
I didn't drink.